Oftentimes people can't find our building because we're back so far, and then when they come around to the back, you know, they suddenly see, you know, we got woods on one side, and then we've got a, you know, landscape bed on the other, and you know, it doesn't really feel like a chemistry company is located here. We have a lot of surprise looks when first-time visitors come in. I'd always wanted a mural somewhere, just in general, and then when we had this blank wall over here, that's when it kind of hit me. It's like, now's the time. And so I was thinking of, you know, oftentimes chemistry is thought of as it's a cerebral kind of thing, but you know, what people forget is that it's very hands-on and very much of a craftsmanship is involved, and that's what the mural depicts. It's like kind of a homage to all the employees here that, you know, that work hard with their hands every day and they create things.